In today's video, I wanted to share with you a pumpkin mac and cheese recipe. This recipe is so simple, tastes delicious, and it's the perfect fall recipe. In addition to sharing with you this pumpkin mac and cheese recipe, I will share with you how you can turn it into a regular mac and cheese without the pumpkin flavor. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 14 to 16 ounces of pasta of your choice, a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, which is about 2 cups, half a cup of water, a quarter cup of cashews that you will soak for 4 hours in water, or if you're short on time, you can use lukewarm water and soak it for 30 minutes to an hour. You will also need a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, the juice of 1 lemon, and 2 garlic cloves. Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil. Meanwhile, start preparing the pumpkin cheese sauce. To prepare the pumpkin cheese sauce, you will add to the blender cup the can of pumpkin puree, the quarter cup of cashews, 2 garlic cloves, a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, the juice of 1 lime, and the half a cup of water. Blend it all up until smooth. By then, the water should have boiled. Add the pasta of your choice. I'm using this Fall Zucchette Pasta from Trader Joe's that is pumpkin shaped and super cute, and I still have seen it in stores, so if you want to give it a try, I recommend it. And you will cook the pasta according to the instructions on the back of your package. Drain the water. Put the pasta back in the pot and add the sauce on top. Mix it all together and enjoy. If instead of the pumpkin flavored cheese you would want a more old-fashioned mac and cheese, you can replace this sauce with a queso recipe that I shared just last week that I will link up here as well as in the description below so you can check it out. And also tastes so great. So when you're all done making that queso sauce, simply mix it with your pasta and it's time to serve and enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really makes my day and helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer pumpkin mac and cheese or regular mac and cheese. And also feel free to share this with whoever you think might enjoy this recipe. I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!